Talunin natin.
Talunin natin.
Hey!
Hey!
Wala, Josh.
Bumubulog kami. Bumubulog kami.
Okay na.
Palo. Magkuha lang tayo mga random na clips. Yan. Hindi natin alam eh. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me. Wala ba magpapapicture kay Jet? Sir, huwag ka magkalat. Kitang-kita ko. Sir KJ, ano masasabi mo? Pengi naman ako niyan.
Masarap yung breadsticks.
Okay.
Hi guys, so papunta na po kami sa Little Farm Resort. Tara guys, welcome. Nakakaya. So sa madilim. Hi guys, welcome to family. Hello po, welcome to my vlog. Ouch na! Hi kama!
Saan pa? Ano masasabi mo?
Ano?
Very happy. Very happy.
Tapos nakakanta.
Ano ba mabibili natin? Ang lamig sa Pilipinas. Ang bilis ako maglakad.
Kapo, nagreklamo kayo.
Yung ilog nandito sa may right side, no? Rinig eh. Diyo, wag magdamdamin yung init. Ang hirap.
Let's go guys!
Tibay ng crooks. Crooks lang ako tibay. 3 years na kahit bumubulog.
Buo pa rin.
Buo pa rin. Shopee 150.
Kaunayan Falls. Diyo, tabuli mo. Habulin mo yung tumatakbo.
Ganin mo, no?
Habulin mo. May bayad pa ulit. Kita mo niya, ano mo. Ay na pala si Stefani.
Oh, wow! Say hi to my vlog guys. Hi guys.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Anong sa'yo? Yung salamat. Salamat sa iyo.
Anong sayo?
Nandito tayo ngayon sa malapit sa falls. So, bubayad na tayo ngayon.
Yan lang.
Joshua, namimiss kita, Joshua.
Ano masasabi mo sa di kasama?
Yellow, kulay yellow si Ate Michael. Nakabaler niya yan.
Si KJ the cutest.
Si Josh hindi kasama.
Baka dumag ang
Di na.
Pasok na lang tayo. Pasok tayo.
Sabi niyo pag nadadapa ako
May dalang brief. Uy, bangin, no?
Sando pa rin nahanap na Jet. Cute ni mo. Send mo kay Tita Irish.
May pusit.
Some water. Wow. Pero ang ganda. Wow. Madam. Sir KJ, ano masasabi mo?
Maingay pala yung falls. Alam mo ba ang falls? Alam mo ba ang falls? May trivia ako sa falls.
No.
Higanting umiihi lang yan.
Sewage.
Tingnan mo, pag nainom mo yung tubig ng falls, matamis-tamis. Kasi yung higante umiihi.
Kasi yung huling kinain niya prutas.
Sa akin nakatutok yan.
Para kita yung pagod mo. Si Maui oh. Si Maui nasa tubigan mo. Maui. See the light, see the light, see the light. Kevin, maraming salamat sa buhay mo. Ito na yung suot ko kanina eh. Tara, let's try. Ano.
Josh, lulublob ko na yung camera mo. Huwag ka mag-alala. Babayaran ko yan. 5 years.
Reimburse na lang.
Oo.
Hindi ka makita! Easy!
Ito meron. Nakakarami na.
Hoy!
Nakita tayo sa kanila. Sali tayo. Nakakarami ka na, Lod.
Lamig.
Si Maui! What can I say? Say to welcome!
Para ka magigala dyan, may kinagal na ako.
Lumapit na ito yung hindi na natubig. Pwede nga tikman eh. Hindi, pero ayan oh. Ano masasabi mo, sir?
It's been so good. So cold and so bright and so nice.
How's the experience? Are you going to recommend it?
Oh yeah. Because it's kinda, it's good. We good. Yeah, you know. Yeah, let's go.
What about you, sir? How's the place? How's the place? Very good. Good. There's a lot of people that don't like this country. Mag-i-interview ako.
Malaki ko.
Wala. Okay, how's the experience?
Okay, 3
English lang, English.
experience was cold.
What about you?
It's cold.
Sir, are you going to recommend this place?
Oh naman. Ganda dito,
English
grabe.
only, English only to.
Yeah. It's very cool and it's very awesome. It's so good.
Madam,
Hindi, ako muna. It's my time to shine. Nahanap ko si Jonah. I'm looking for Jonah because I don't know, it's the instructions are not that clear. I did not understand what she's trying to say. That's why I'm calling her. We're here in the middle of nowhere and I have some namatay. Ay, di na buhay pala. Napatagalog tuloy ako.
oh no, it's dead.
She's kind of slow, you know. My patience kind of getting low.
Getting there.
What's
getting-
going on?
You know, look at my face.
Yeah, so right now we're at the falls right now, and we're currently waiting. Oh, look. So yeah, right now we're here and we're about to change our clothes. But
Buksan na lang yung ano.
we will go to
Tana.
the sea, right? Right? We'll go to the sea. Yeah. Hala, ano yan? I mean, what's that? I mean, what's that? Because something's in the skin of Jonah, in the knee of Jonah. So you can hear the crickets creaking.
It's the crocs that's sounding.
Oh no.
Bakit?
Tinan mo yung kuha mo kay Step. Tinan mo kay Step.
Pakahirap po.
Parang ID photo ah.
Hindi, may maayos ako. May maayos ako.
Uy!
Kuha lang ako nakuha eh. Candid yan, candid.
Kaso nakatalikod
May
siya.
maayos ako.
Ay, nakatarap na.
Yun lang ang maganda. Is this still? Oh yes. It's still recording. Where's my brother Will? Where's Kuya Will? I'm looking for Kuya Will right now. PD, do you see Kuya Will? Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So Kuya Will's there. I'm gonna get the keys of the car so we can change our clothes. We're all wet by the water. Oh, ooh la la! So right now we're going to the car. We're going to change clothes, and I'm here with Jonah. Let's go, guys. So let's go, guys. Step. Ako lang humihingi ng tawad sa'yo sa kuha ni Jeremiah sa mga picture mo sa falls. Kung makikita mo, masakit sa damdamin. Kahit ako, nasaktan eh. Na-hurt ako eh. Na-hurt ako, sobra.
Gamit daw ni Adrian.
Ay, gamit mo? Walang tinapo. Dito ka. Andiyan girl.
Matino, kahit yung nakatalikod. Nakatalikod.
Yung nakatalikod lang yung matino.
Eh kasi ang gulo nyo eh. Bakit?
Ayun na si Jerry.
Hala ka!
Dito. Papakita na rin yan.
Iyak si Steph!
Papakita na ni Steph. Papakita na ni Kuya.
Look at your picture, my friend. Wala, lagot ka. Very, very nice. Asa na ba yun? Aray, bakit ako? Ako pinagkukuha na. Ba ako magkukuha?
Hindi kayo magagaling na photographer. Pagkatapos ko malulod. Pagkatapos mawala ng sinelas ko.
Mawalan. Look at this, my friend. Here, my friend. Oh, look at this, my friend. This is your picture. Look at that. Okay. Number 1 picture. Number 2 picture, my friend. Look at that. Look at this. Oh. You look like grade 2. You know what's grade 2?
Mukha akong kawawang bata.
Hey, this is grade 3.
Mukha akong kawawang bata.
Mommy, you're so candy. Oh, look at this. Oh. You're lost? You lost? Finish.
Nakatali ko.
Ay, look at this. Dali, dali. Uy, ba't ganyan? Uy, ba't ganyan?
Ay, ayun na yun.
Kasi tignan mo. Pinapakita mo yung pangit. Pag tinanong, di ba, anong gusto mo? Good news, bad news? Bad news muna. Look at this. This is 50-50. Need an ambulance.
Ay, may nakating na.
Isa na.
May maayos dyan. Pinapakita lang yung video.
Pilit na pilit rin. Tama ka
Ang
na.
dami kong ginawang pose. Yung ganun lang yung...
Kaya masakit ngipin po.
Kaya dinala.
Asa si Will Frank?
Kaya dinala.
Ba't yung susi na sa'yo?